coffee break with me. Woo! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you today? Today I'm super excited because we have amazing news for those of you that struggle with your armpits. I totally sound like a ShamWow commercial. Today we are here with the third installment of What is this sorcery? It is a series that I designed for my channel where we talk about products that actually work. So, you know, in this community, we go through things like, what's something you go through a lot? Pancakes. We go through things a lot, you know, new lipsticks, new foundations, new powders, new nail polish, and we like it because it's pretty and it's sparkly and it makes us feel pretty, you know? But which products do we come across that actually dramatically impact or change our beauty regimen? That's the focus of this series. So we've talked about products that actually repair your hair. We've talked about products that are heat protectant slash deep conditioner slash whatever, they make your hair awesome. So we've talked about a lot of products that significantly impact, improve the quality of our beauty regimen. So today we're here with 3 products that I'm super excited to share. One of them in particular is a little... I feel like I found my husband, you guys, because it was a long journey to get here. And now that we're here, I'm a little lost because I feel like I lost a little bit of purpose in life. But let's go ahead and get started. If you guys have been following me for the last, I would say 6 to 9 months, you may have noticed that any type of base products, foundations, BB creams, stuff like that, I've really kicked back on that type of product, on using it. Most of the time when I wear makeup, I will spot conceal because I've been really satisfied with the condition of my skin, and I've also been kind of suffering in 100-degree weather in the fall here in Texas. So 2 products that have significantly changed the way that my makeup looks are 2 products that we're going to talk about right now. I don't know why we did this big, whatever. Let's just get into it. The first one is actually a product from Touch and Soul, and this is a product that I just impulsively added to my basket when I was browsing a Sephora store in person. You guys have heard me complain about my local Sephora that I'm like, ugh, I hate going in there. I always feel like, I don't know, people aren't very friendly there. And so when I was about to leave, I noticed this little pin out of the corner of my eye, and I was like, qu'est-ce que c'est? I need to know what this is. So basically, it's a primer in stick form. And this little guy, I'm convinced, is the reason why I'm so happy with the way my skin looks. Today, I'm not wearing any foundation. I spot concealed in this area right here. Right there, a little tiny bit here, hardly anything, like there's nothing there. On my chin, which is, you know, where I struggle, and that's all. That's the only place that I'm wearing concealer, but that's also where I'm wearing this. Now, if you guys are an anti-dimethicone person, which I'm trying to be, but I'm really struggling finding products that don't contain dimethicone. It's the second ingredient in here. I think this is a Korean beauty brand, and y'all know with their skincare, they're kind of awesome. So they actually sell this in like a fluid form with a pump to prime, I guess, your whole face. But this is just the priming eraser. It's a pen. I guess it would help if I tell you guys the name. This is the No Poreblem priming eraser. Do you see what they did there? It's like a play on words, the little punny. No Poreblem priming eraser. So it comes with one side that has the pore blurring stick or primer, and then this little cushion on the other side that I've never, this is the first time I open it because I don't use it. I actually just go in, I do a little scribble here, a little scribble here, a little scribble here, and just a little scribble here, and then with my ring finger, I just blot it in. And then I go in with my concealer. It's 14 bucks. And I've used it, you know, it's all over my dress. I've used it nonstop for the last, I would say, maybe 2 months. And I haven't made a dent. Like, I haven't had to turn it up once. So it lasts quite a bit. Plus it's $14. Is that drugstore price? Could we classify that as drugstore price? Maybe, right? All right, so that's our first. What is the sorcery? For those of you that just want to blur little areas of your pore situation, whatever. You guys, let me just move on. The next thing that I feel is definitely to blame with the condition of my skin is the Farmacy Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. So AHA is, I think, alpha hydroxy acid. It does have a combination of different acids, including lactic acid. So what it does is it gently exfoliates, it resurfaces your skin. Its primary focus is to be anti-wrinkle, so it's supposed to reverse the signs of aging. I can't really say that because the only places that I struggle with wrinkles are my eyes, and you can't use that around your eyes or your mouth. But I have noticed that a lot of my blemish scars that I've gotten in this area and here, and also in the center, kind of where my blush meets my highlight, have gotten significantly lighter, if not gone away completely. If you guys follow me on Instagram or on Insta stories, you'll see me without makeup there all the time. Actually, rewind, if you watch my weekend vlogs, you see my face on there without makeup all the time. And if you go back to older videos to videos now, you could see a significant difference. I love this product because even though it is like an exfoliating, resurfacing peel, it doesn't feel drying. A lot of times when you use a peel or an exfoliator like this, like an acid peel, they leave your face feeling like, you know what I'm saying? And this one doesn't. It works so well, but it's so gentle, and it actually feels like a hydrating serum. I only use this at night after I wash my face, and I use it every other night. So I use it every other night, and I've been really, really happy with it. It's $58, I believe. Now, if you're not a stranger to Coffee Break with Dani, you know we've been on a journey of sorts. I'd like to take a few minutes to sort of relive the experience, the trauma, the information that we've gathered throughout probably the last year on our armpit journey, struggling with sweat, with mysterious odors, with burning sensations in my armpits, cochinas, with blistering, itching, and just flat out not working. Add that to the mix, or add insult to injury, the price of these non-toxic green deodorants is appalling. And just when I was about to give up on love, just kidding, on deodorant, I found one that has changed my life. And we're gathered here today to celebrate the love that I have for this deodorant. So all jokes aside, if you guys have been following me for the last year, I have tried at least 10 non-toxic green deodorants, which I need to know if you guys want me to talk about them all in just one video, where I'm like, these are the 10 that I tried, this is how they didn't work, this is how they felt, this is how they smelled, this is the one that won. I don't know if you guys want like a recap video. I'd be more than happy to do that, because this is something that is so serious to me right now. Like, it was a hard journey, you guys. I spent way too much money. I stunk way too often, and it was very uncomfortable. So this moment in time right now is worthy of being celebrated. I follow a non-toxic blogger on Instagram. Her name is Mada Lee. She focuses on everything non-toxic, from how she cleans her home, to the way she feeds her baby, to cloth diapers, to even how she cleans her jewelry is non-toxic and green. She lives that non-toxic green lifestyle. So I was about to give up, throw in the towel, and she did a post about how she restocked her favorite deodorant, and she showed this. And I was like, something pulled at me and said, don't give up yet. Don't give up yet. Kind of like when I met my boyfriend. Don't throw in the towel. Just try one more. Just try one more. And at that same time, I was trying one from Primally Pure, and I was trying one from Biossance. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna try. I'm just gonna try. What do I have to lose? I have already put my poor armpits through hell and back. I've already put all my neighbors and people that have come into contact with me through hell and back. So might as well try one more. Oh, The Ursa Major No BS deodorant is amazing, you guys. Not only does it keep me dry, which I don't have a sweaty problem, but there were some green deodorants that actually made me sweaty, which is weird, right? I've never had a sweat problem. This one, I don't have a sweat problem with, but where it takes my heart is that I don't smell like BO from wearing it at all, ever. Okay, let's just get gross for a second. I could take a shower, put it on, have a whole day, not take a shower at the end of the day, go to bed, wake up the next morning, and I still don't smell like BO. That is the tall tale sign of a deodorant that works. That is why I used to use clinical strength, because it would last that long. So you guys, if you guys are sensitive to baking soda, which I know is a major ingredient or component in a lot of these non-toxic deodorants, this one does not have baking soda. You're welcome. It doesn't smell like anything. You don't smell like anything. You guys, first of all, Natalie, you're in Dallas. I'd like to personally meet you and thank you. Pay for your daughter's college tuition because you changed my life. Or I could just say thank you, Ursa Major, for inventing such an amazing, amazing product. So if you guys struggle with BO, like me, I will say that out loud, shamelessly, I don't care. You know what? That's how the body works, you guys. No shame. I'll smell like armpit if I don't use an amazing deodorant. So this is an amazing deodorant. Now, I've only tried the No BS unscented one. They have one that is scented. That's not the one I've used. I haven't used that one. Do I have it? I think I have it to try. I did. I ordered it to try. So make sure that if you want to try this one, you try the No BS deodorant, the unscented variety. That's the one that I'm vouching for. It doesn't smell like anything. Are you guys ever paranoid that if you use something that is unscented, you're still gonna smell because it's unscented? So you're like, well, how is it covering up the smell? That's the thing. It's not supposed to cover up a smell. It's supposed to prevent it from happening. It's $18, okay? It's $18, it's massive. I can imagine this is gonna last me a very, very long time. It's so smooth. It's not one of those deodorants where it's like, you have to hold it to your pits and make it soft so that you can actually put it on. Do you hate that? Like, don't you hate that? Because that deodorant is the same one that stains my white shirts yellow. Whew. Hit a nerve, you guys. So this one, the unscented variety, is the one for sensitive skin. I don't have sensitive skin. You guys have heard me talk about my rhino skin. I would suggest this for anybody and everybody. The only questionable thing about it, and it's not even a gripe or a complaint because sensations like that don't bother me, but I'm pretty sure that the lemon peel extract in here, which is one of the smaller ingredients, it's towards the end of the list, when you put it on, you feel like this rush of like a cooling sensation, but then it goes away. So if you're a little bit of a wimposaurus and you don't like weird feelings, that might feel a little weird, but it goes away. It doesn't linger. Plus you don't smell like armpit. I mean, winning. Anyway, I am so excited that I'm getting to share in this momentous and joyous occasion with you guys because I never thought this day would come. Just like I never thought the day would come that I would find a man that loved me and respect me and wanted to be my boyfriend. So we're winning at life this year, you guys. I'm gonna say goodbye to 33 and hello to 34 with no stinky pits and an amazing boyfriend. If that's not a good reason to celebrate, I don't know what is. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. What is the sorcery part 3 is now concluded. If you guys are still enjoying this series, let me know in the comment section below so that we could keep it going, because you guys, these products actually work. What? I will list and link these 3 products in the description box below. I really hope that this deodorant works for you guys, because I know a lot of you embarked on this journey with me, and I know that it can get pretty exhausting. So we're about to sell out this deodorant. All my girls with our stinky pits will be no more. Anyway, you know what to do. If you found this video useful, entertaining, and learned something, please give me a thumbs up with your nice smelling pits. And subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, this coffee break is over. Bye guys!